Hey everyone, welcome back to this Friday weekly update. Today is February the 28th. Sorry for this whole little setup, just trying something different, I guess. As per usual, this is a little series that'll sort of show you behind the scenes and type of things you can expect to see from us. Be sure to stay tuned for this week's episode. We have a little special coupon giveaway within the video, so be sure to check that out. This coupon will give you 25% off our House of Hearts, our Valentine's items. So you will see a code somewhere within this video, and you will be able to punch that in on our website. The link to that will be in the description below. That sale will go through March 6th, so if you find it in this video and use that coupon code, you will have it all the way through then, so be sure to check it out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello, you've made it to the code. The code, as you can see right here, is Hearts25. So be sure to check out the link in the description to go to our website and punch in that code for 25% off all our House of Hearts, which is our Valentine's items. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. If you got to this point and you haven't seen the code, you may want to go back and check because it is not here. It's already passed. So as per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And thank you all so much for watching and keep it up with the series. Hope you all grabbed that code. So hit that like button if you like this video, and the subscribe button with the little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.